First of all, we have a header file. In this header file, there are structs and some functions which do some operations about a dictionary struct, and we have a test code. So first function, create dict. It creates a dynamic memory for dictionary. It also creates a dynamic array for items. Default capacity of the dictionary is 0, so default size of these items are 0, and this function returns dictionary. So there is a add item function. It first checks that if that key already exists. Uh, if it is, then it is going to replace the old values with the new values. So it's going to first free just that items values, and then it's going to allocate it again with the new value count, and then it is going to replace the new values, and of course update the value count of that item. In add item also there is a check for the capacity. If capacity is full, then it's going to increment it by 1. We are adding one item, so it's going to just add 1 to the capacity. And this is the adding part, basic adding part. So it's going to first allocate so it should allocate a new item. For this, it's going to first allocate new key and value. Then it's going to basically place that key with str copy and the values with memory copy. And then of course it's going to update the value count and the value type, and increment the size by 1. Delete item function, it basically uh, first finds the given key in the items list in the dictionary. When it is found, it is going to free that item's key and values, and then put a null at the values, and then it should shift the other items for deleting that gap. Then of course it's going to decrement the dict size by 1. Set value function, again it's going to find the key, the given key. So this function takes a key parameter, and it's going to find that key in the dictionary. Then it's going to set the new values for that key. So again it's going to free the values and then place a null. It's going to allocate new values with the new value count in case the value count change, and then with the memcopy it's going to place the values and update the value count for that item. Search item, it is going to basically, again it's going to search that item. If it is found, then it's going to return that item's value location. If not, it's going to return null. Sort dictionary function, it's going to basically do a bubble sort for the items by looking their keys. So we should bubble sort all of the elements of the item. So here is keys, values, value counts, and value types, bubble sort operations. Print dictionary function, this function basically prints the dictionary, and how does this function works is it is going to first print the key, then by checking the value type, it is going to print that values. If it is, for example, integer, then this part is going to be executed. So free dictionary function, it is going to free the dictionary, nothing special. It's going to, of course, first it's going to free the key and values because these are inside the items, and then it's going to free the items because items is in the dictionary, items are in the dictionary, and finally it's going to free the dictionary itself. Read scv function. This function is going to open a scv file. So I learned that scv files has elements in it, and these elements are uh, separated by commas by default in the scv file. So we should use strtoc with the uh, delimiter comma as a delimiter. So this part is going to basically open the file, then tokenize the lines. We already know that the first thing in every line is the uh, data type. So this information is given, so we can use this. The first thing is going to be data type. So the first token, we can copy that first token to a data type character array that we created. And then it's the second thing is the key. So we do the same thing for the key. Then there are values. So we first create a value type and values array. And then here we are going to basically take the values in this array, and at the same time we are going to count the value count, and with this information we are going to uh, use the function that we wrote earlier. This function is add item. So basically this read scv function is going to read that items, and it's going to send that items to add item function as parameter. So these are the values that we collected from this code. Let's try testing this code. We are in this folder. There is our C file. This is the scv file, and this is the dictionary. This is the header file. So we are going to open the terminal, and first of all I should show the testing code. First of all, we are going to use the create dictionary function. Then we have these values arrays. We are going to first use add item twice with these uh, with these values arrays, and then we are going to use the print dictionary function in order to see if these are working or not. So then we are going to try to see what happens if we add already existing key, if we try to use add item function with already existing key. And then we are going to use this, and then at this point we are going to print the dictionary again, uh, and finally we are going to set value and sort, and also sort the dictionary, and also delete an item. So and then print again and free the dictionary. So let's try to execute it. um, okay, so as you can see, let me first of all we sent these and it printed them correctly. Here you can see. Then we do this part, and it printed with the new the updated dictionary. This is the, for example, you can see that we have tried to add item that already exists. Here you can see that it changed. It was like this and it become this. And then you can see that this item has new values, and also the the dictionary is sorted from uh, A to Z, uh, and also the count item is deleted. You can see here we have where is it? Here we have count item. It has values, but here you can't see count item. And finally, it freed the. Thank you for listening. Bye.